Kool Brakes is open for business, truckers. Is this you? Are you tired?
Yes.
Well, here you go. We're cooling our brakes at Jamaica's #1 truck stop. Remember to cool your brakes, because you too need a brake. Kool Brakes is located 1 mile west of Holland Bamboo at Holland Crossroads across from the Holland ball field. We have the legendary juicy patties. Need a quick bite? Their patties are hotter than a hot summer day in Jamaica. Our hot dogs will leave your mouth watering and you belly asking for more. If that doesn't tantalize you, then step it up to our fried chicken and chips, cooked to order by our famous chef, the Great Bright Eye. Need something more succulent? Try our ultimate jerk chicken or jerk pork, marinated in a Kool Brakes, in-house smoked chili sauce.
What?
It's so good it make you want to slap your mama. The jerk chicken's so good, you might just forget you're on the clock. Looking to relax? Have a seat in our lounge, try one of our exclusive cigars, or ask for our complimentary shoulder massage, exclusively for Nuffload's truckers. So park your rig and take a shower, have a cup of tea or coffee before you hit the road. Trust me. After cooling off in our shower and having a cold or hot drink, you will feel more refreshed and soothing than a good old country song. Plus, it's a great spot to swap stories with fellow road warriors. Oh, don't forget our Blue Ocean rum punch. Ask your bartender for details. So, there you have it. The ultimate Jamaican trucker's escape. Safe travels. And remember, keep on trucking. This video was brought to you by Nuffloads, the future of Jamaican trucking. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell them Nuffloads sent you.